Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Multichrome Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and on top of that I'm also going to add a layer of the smoothing base to give the multichromes a really smooth surface. The colors that I'll be using today for my water marble are from the Holo Taco Multichrome collection. This is Chameleon Coat. Then we have Blue Ain't Slick, followed by Mist Shift. Then this is Purple with Ennvy, and finally Cat's Evasion. For my base color, I'm going to be using One Coat Black. And once I have that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, draw from the center out in 4 different directions, creating kind of spokes. And then we're going to go ahead and draw back towards the center in between each of those before drawing in a spiral. Once your design is complete, you can go ahead and line your finger up in the water. I'm aiming so that the spiral is kind of centered but slightly low on my nail toward the cuticle, and then go ahead and dip in. Clean off any excess polish from the surface so that that doesn't stick onto your design. And then once the surface is clean, I'm going to go ahead and slowly pull out, which should help prevent bubbles. And there's the water marble. I am going to use a tweezer to help me with removal here, and then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the rest of my nails. Once you've finished all your nails, you can go ahead and clean up. If you have any larger patches, you can use a Q-tip, and to get in close, I'm using a small brush dipped in acetone. Once you're finished with cleanup, you can press flat any bubbles, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish with top coat. And today I'm using Holo Taco Super Glossy Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. Big thanks as always to Christine for having me on the Holo Taco PR list. It's always exceptionally fun to see if her polishes will water marble. And if you'd like to see my initial impressions of this collection, that is already up here on YouTube. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this design, that will be up on YouTube shortly. Of course, if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And before I wrap up, I do want to give you guys some flashlight time to show some of the other personalities of the multichromes. I'd love to hear what you guys think of these down in the comments. Which is your favorite color? I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.